Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friends, once again, I'm talking about the Dogecoin latest update. What's going on in the Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is about to make a move, my friends. So get ready for a big move of the Dogecoin, which is coming soon, and be alert for a huge pump, my friends. My friends, before starting this video, please I request all of you to make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, this time, first of all, if we look the price chart of the Dogecoin. So from the beginning of a day, I'm talking about the today update of the Dogecoin. So from the beginning of a day, the Dogecoin price is falls down, and after falls, now you can see it goes like a straight chain. It goes like a straight. You can see, my friends, goes like a straight. So my friends, if they goes straight, so that's mean that they are in the loss. You can see here, that is why. On the other hand, furthermore, you can see here that negative 4.85% the price falls down in the last 24 hours. So that's really a big loss of all Dogecoin holders, my friends. But remember, Dogecoin is a unique coin in the market, which only I'm 100% sure about a Dogecoin that they can easily make you a millionaire if you are holding Dogecoin, my friends. Anyways, you can see here 0.2124 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin. Now the Dogecoin is very cheap in the market. 0.1922 USD dollar is the current price of the Dogecoin. You know what? The price is falls down from 0.70 to 0.89 USD dollar. The price falls down just in the last 1 month, my friends. The price very badly drops. But as I told you, my friend, that Dogecoin is about to make a move. So my technical analysis, my price prediction is going positive about your Dogecoin, and I believe that Dogecoin will take a huge move, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.